Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today I'm very excited about this video because I'm about to harvest some peas for the very first time. I mean, I've harvested a couple in Eden, but today I will be harvesting some peas and some Pak Choy, and I will be also showing you guys how I harvested my first and only zucchini. So I'm planning to use all of this for stir fry for dinner tomorrow. I will be showing you guys how I harvest some parsley. So for those of you who haven't seen my garden, I'm growing everything in grow bags. I have a townhouse, very small space if any to garden, so I have all of my plants in grow bags, and this is my first time gardening, summer 2020 or spring summer 2020. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick look of what I have, and then we're going to go ahead with the harvesting. So this is Freddy. Freddy's my cat, and I have him leashed on here because if not he will go off too far, and usually when I'm outside he likes to be outside with me, but he likes to go off places and then I get worried looking for him, so I just have him leashed here so he doesn't wander off too far, even though he's probably not happy about that. But like I said, I moved most of my plants to a different location, but here I have some cat grass, I have some parsley which I will be harvesting today, I have some cilantro which are starting to seed or flower, I have some squash that I need to transplant ASAP, I have some oregano and some basil. Here I have some thyme which I need to harvest as well. So here is some of the Pak Choy I was hoping to harvest, but I haven't had a lot of luck when it comes to pests. Like something has been eating it, so at this point I feel like I should just I don't know, maybe just get rid of all the Pak Choy. Here I have some mint and rosemary, more oregano. I actually have some strawberries which are finally starting to flower. I am very excited about that. There's more over here. Then I have some chives, I have lettuce, more Pak Choy which we will be harvesting from this bag and that bag, and then peas, cucumbers, and then tomatoes. There's a few ripe ones over there if you guys can see. But not to take too much of your time, let's go ahead and start harvesting some Pak Choy. I'm very excited. So like I said, I'm going to harvest the Pak Choy first. So I'm going to use a pair of scissors. Sorry about all of the wind or the noise from the wind. So these have actually been flowering before, and I just cut off the tops like this, and you can see that they're still flowering. So I'm just gonna cut those off. I'm leaving, I don't know, I feel like the seeds are pretty affordable, so I'm not too worried about saving seeds. So to harvest, I'm going to do the cut and come again harvest method. So basically I'm going to cut the outer leaves, and they should grow back, or more should grow back in its place. So like if you guys can see here, there's already another one starting to form. So I'm going to harvest the outer leaves and just leave, you know, maybe 2 or 3 so the plant can still carry out photosynthesis. So just cut out the outer leaf. I also want to thin this out a bit much. I also want to thin this out a lot so I can actually get the pesticide I've been using on the leaves. I think that's also going to help with pests. So something like this, I'm just gonna throw away. So I think this is all I'm going to take from this bag. I'm also going to chop up the flowers or the buds wherever I see them. Okay, so here's the fun part. I'm actually going to start harvesting the peas. I don't remember how much the recipe calls for, but I'm just going to harvest, I don't know, maybe 5 branches from the outside. Here's a picture of my zucchini plant right before I harvested it. I am so excited. I was so excited this day. It is my first zucchini. I tried to twist it off, but the stem was just way too firm. So I took a pair of scissors and just cut it up a little bit. And then after that, I was able to easily twist it off. But the zucchini is freaking huge. Like, look at this thing. I cannot wait to have it in my stir fry tomorrow. It just feels so fulfilling to be able to grow your own food and have it look this good. I am so excited. So here's the zucchini I was talking about. Parsley, peas. I wish I got a little bit more, but this is better than nothing. And we have a ton of Pak Choy, which I hope we will be able to use. I'm not thrilled about like the holes that are on some of them because of the pests that have been eating them. So I'm actually not sure if you're allowed to eat vegetables or leaves that have been eaten by pests. So I'm going to look that up and hopefully it's still okay. I'm planning to soak them in water with vinegar. So that's it. We are done with the harvest. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you're a gardener like me, especially a first-time gardener, are you seeing issues with pests like me? And if so, what are your recommendations? And if you're a veteran farmer, I would like to hear about what you guys' recommendations are for dealing with issues like this. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.